When it stopped. Oh yeah, this one's going the other direction. What did you find, Reese?
There's a train that has little characters on it.
Really?
Yeah. But look at Santa's sleigh.
I saw that one. Santa's sleigh. It's going, yeah. It's going up and down. What does that do? Doesn't it go choo-choo? I'm just gonna go around. Oh, look at this. This layout is operating from 10 a.m. till 7:30 p.m. Aw, happy holidays! Both trains.
Here it comes. They just went through the...
And there's another one right here. Look at that. All three trains all together.
They just went through the mountain thing.
Yeah, did you see this one up here? It says North Pole. What is it? Because it's a Jurassic World one.
One of the dinosaurs is stuck
Oh
in
no.
the window.
Oh yeah, it is. It's hilarious.
Where? Here.
Olivia, your face. Huh? Oh, there's a chopper. What's that? The orange helicopter? And there's a fire department down here.
There's a fire department.
And then it says, when you are hungry, go eat. Isn't that cool? Is there a train coming? There's one coming this way now. Say choo-choo. Yep, it's on its way. And there's another one coming down here. Choo-choo.
Yes, it's really cool.
And that's all three trains again.
It's coming out through